Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Samsung LPU7D 120-inch short-throw 4K AI Smart Laser Projector, a device that can completely transform your living space into a cinematic experience. The biggest highlight is its ultra-short throw design. You can place it just inches from the wall and still get a massive 120-inch image. No ceiling mounts, no complicated setup, just position it, power it on, and you've got a theater-sized screen instantly. Picture quality is where this projector really stands out. With 4K laser technology and AI upscaling, everything looks sharp, vibrant, and detailed. Colors are rich, contrast is strong, and HDR support helps bright scenes pop while keeping dark scenes deep and immersive. It's also built for modern entertainment. Smart features let you stream apps directly, and the low input lag makes it a solid option for casual gaming. The built-in 2.2-channel sound system delivers surprisingly powerful audio, filling the room without needing external speakers. Overall, the Samsung LPU7D delivers massive screen size, sharp 4K visuals, and smart functionality in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.